Imagine, if you will, a cityscape of the future, where the skies are not merely a backdrop, but a vibrant, active, and crucial part of everyday life. Where the hum of vertical takeoff and landing taxis, or VTOLs, echo between the towering buildings, and delivery drones, with their hypnotic ballet of motion, buzz from rooftop to rooftop, transforming the city into a three-dimensional hive of activity. Welcome to the world of urban air mobility. Gone are the days where the only choice was to inch through the congestion of ground traffic or navigate the labyrinth of public transportation. Now, the future has arrived, offering a fast, congestion-free, and astonishingly efficient travel option within and between cities. Picture this: you're late for an important meeting across town. Instead of hailing a traditional cab or struggling with your own vehicle, you whip out your phone and with a few taps, summon a VTOL taxi. Minutes later, you're strapped in, the VTOL's engines roar to life, and you are airborne, soaring over the city, leaving the gridlocked streets below as nothing more than a blur of lights. As you ascend, you can't help but notice the network of vertiports, these integral nexuses of the new era of transportation. Nestled on rooftops, near bustling train stations, and even floating on rivers, these vertiports are the beating heart of urban air mobility. They're as busy as any bustling ant colony, connecting the entire city, making this breathtaking aerial commute possible. And let's not forget the silent, tireless couriers of the skies. Delivery drones have become an integral part of the city's daily operations. No longer are they a novelty. They zip from vertiport to vertiport, carrying everything from your late-night pizza cravings to your latest online shopping splurge, all while reducing traffic and carbon emissions. But urban air mobility is more than just a technological revolution, it's a social one. It's about more than just bridging physical distances. It's about reshaping how we live, work, and interact in our cities. It's about challenging our understanding of urban space, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and reimagining our urban environments for a sustainable and connected future. This isn't some far-flung dream, some distant idea relegated to the pages of a science fiction novel. This is now. This is the dawn of a new era. This is the future of transportation. Welcome to the world of urban air mobility. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As technology advances, as regulations adapt, and as society embraces this new dimension of mobility, the sky is truly the limit.